welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, mag-unboxing po tayo. Alright, so abangan in 3, 2, 1, mag-intro muna tayo. Guys, and kakarating lang po kahapon. So, bubuksan po natin siya ngayon. Ayan, buksan po natin. Naka-bubble wrap po siya. So, once nilagay po sa bubble wrap, fragile po yan. Okay. Ayan, buksan po natin siya, guys. Guys, ayan, may mga hose po tayo guys. Ayan, may hose. We have another hose. We have this guys. Ayan, nasira yung filter niya.
Eventually,
Okay guys, so upon checking with the seller guys, I'll talk to them and they will reissue another inlet filter guys. Okay, so I just unboxing this again. And we will do a testing also so I can send them a video that the item is working. Okay, so there's another adapter here guys for the water, for the hose. There's a free car shampoo powder over here. There's another lock hose over here. We have a shampoo or soap container. And here is the main product. Okay, we have here the gun. The tissue gun here. And here we have this. Okay, this is the main item, the high pressure washer. Okay, the sticker here is a little bit
Much later.
Okay, so let me check, guys, how to connect all the hose here. Okay, so I'll just check it so we'll be putting these guys here, right? This need to put it like this, and of course we need to lock it. Okay, so ito yung pang-lock. Okay, and the other side, guys, we will be putting this one here like this and lock it here like this. Okay, so we have the first one. So the other side, the inlet is here. And how do we put here? Maybe like this. Then here like this. Okay. So here like this, I think. Thinking wrong. There's no manual, so I can't figure it out. Let's see some review. So I need to put this on running water because our inlet is not this is broken, so we need to put do I have a hose? Another hose.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, so we have here a bucket guys. So we will be taking this here and we will be putting this right here guys. And I don't know if it's broken like I said. So but let's try. I'll be putting this filter guys here down on in the bucket, and here we are with okay, so we're all set guys. Okay, we're all set. Let's open. Okay, so nakasaksak na guys. Ayan. Dinagay ko yung ayan. Let's put this inside. Lapit natin. And i-try natin kung gagana siya. So, let's press. Ayan, mahina siya. Mahina. Mahina. Yan na, lumalakas na. Ayan! Lumakas na siya, guys. So, here we are. Ayan. Meron na tayong washer. Okay, so when we stop pushing this, guys, it stopped, guys. And let's try, guys. Ang lakas! So here we are, guys, and we have this one, guys. Different, better when you use it, guys. Much better to use it on direct tap sa gripo kaysa sa balde kasi mabilis siyang maubos yung water. Okay. Okay, so we turned it off, guys.